What in the world can sound more fun than creating and editing Microsoft Word documents? Really? If you're not a passionate writer or a guy who creates a vector art inside the Microsoft Office, this software probably associates for you with tons of completely soulless documents you had to create, edit, compose, sign when you was a student or worked at office. Do you remember how many hours you spent for creating paragraphs of complete nonsense just for your boss to check it and then never read again? Everything became simpler with an invention of generative artificial intelligence. All you have to do now is prompt your AI assistant with what you want, then get the output, copy and paste it into your Word document, then style it, and you're good to go. What really bothers me in this setup is that you actually have to copy and paste. So why do some extra work? Of course, if you're not a professional developer or a programmer, but this is another story. Instead of spending a couple of hours for creating and editing Word document, I'd rather spend twice as many hours for automating this task and then an eternity for catching bugs and resolving issues. You know, Python works like magic. You just type import and then it does whatever you want. I still can't get why people spend so many years learning Python if it is that simple. Anyways, I've managed to create a solution for boring docs creation. You just type what you want into the Messenger and get a styled, formatted output as a docs file. Basically, instead of learning Microsoft Word interface, now you have to learn slightly overcomplicated Python docs library in order to achieve styling you want. But if you're a developer and you don't want to leave your IDE, it is a perfect solution for you. So let's test it out. You already may have guessed that this is a simple project implementing OpenAI API capabilities with Python docs library. Also, it's built with iogram, so it has Telegram bot interface for convenience. So let's see how it works. So we have the interface. So let's choose start generating and prompt something. For example, let's pretend we are Jeff Bezos, a Python, let's say a junior Python developer, 5 years of experience in total, was employed in 5 different software companies. So let's mention our achievements. So let's see how it works. So in just a couple of seconds, we get our generated CV. So as you can see, the ChatGPT got that we had experience in 5 different companies. So we can see that it added a relevant experience. So it was fun to create this project. The code is available on GitHub, so you can copy and just follow along. Thank you for watching. It was another little Python project, and I really appreciate you spend your time watching this video. So if you want, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. A lot of interesting stuff coming to this channel soon, so subscribe for more, and bye.
Endless keyboard tapping echoes in the mind. Long days full of clicking, no escape to find. Eyes strain and fingers ache, deadlines never wait. But a light breaks through the gray, hope illuminates fate. Telegraph salvation,